Today we have home health care, so you can dial a doctor to come out to your crib. But it all boils down to how you take care of your life. If you have entered adulthood slacking like hell, of course you don't have access to it. That's your damn fault. You can't keep blaming the system. You can't keep blaming the government because the government is not telling you to enter adulthood a jackass. That's a personal decision. To a degree on that, I don't have any sympathy for some of these people. Yes, there are people out there who literally do not have access to stuff. Got it. But at the same time, some of y'all have access and y'all just puppets. That's just my opinion. And I'll leave that right there.
I have nothing to add to that, bro. I really don't. I got nothing on that one, folks.
I might have got in my feelings a little bit.
It's all good. I mean, because the thing that people fail to realize, the truth is the truth. I don't give a damn how people give it to you, whether they sugarcoat it or just give it to you raw. Truth is the truth. Again, with these, man, I get so frustrated because my thing is this, right? You know, having an elderly grandmother, and when I get a chance to visit her and hear about some of the horror stories, you know, that she'll tell me about some of her friends who don't have access to the prescriptions that they need, or, you know, basically being in a situation where they have to choose whether to eat or keep the lights on, or their prescription drugs. That's a problem. Like, that's a serious problem. And, you know, my grandmother, she's a very educated woman, and all of her friends are along that line. So all of them have, you know, did what they are supposed to have done in their younger years, meaning work and saved and trusted the retirement system. Well, unfortunately, it's really not working, in the sense that, again, if you have to make the decision to get your prescription drugs, get food, or keep your lights on, that's a hard decision to make.
Yeah.
Especially knowing you did everything you know, as an individual was supposed to have done. You did. But because prescription drugs are so goddamn high, some of them have to go without having damn lights a little bit longer than what they're supposed to. Because, again, when you're taking the amount of pills that they're taking per day, it's ridiculous.
Right.
I mean, I understand it's a business. And I think that that's part of the reason why these pharmaceutical companies get away with the bullshit that they do. Because their excuse for charging you so goddamn much for these outrageous damn prices for these prescriptions is it's business.
Yeah.
So when it comes down to business, there is no right or wrong. For them, that's their excuse to say, I don't have to be right or wrong. It's business.
Yeah.
That's crazy, but it's, you know, it's commerce, as they say. But I do sympathize with what you're saying, and I sympathize with those who actually did what they're supposed to have done, but for whatever reason, they're still being compromised because they have to make that decision at the end of the day. Which one do I go with? Crazy.
Yeah. But hey, it's King and Night Live podcast. You know how to get at us. We'll be back.
For sure.